Good day, everyone. I am Jenny Wiley Kadag from grade 12 STEM, and now we're going to learn and practice some uncommonly used Filipino words and also their correct pronunciation. The first word is marahuyo. The correct pronunciation of this is marahuyo. Marahuyo. Marahuyo means to be enchanted or to charm or captive by something or someone. The example sentence of it is, baka marahuyo ang mga tao kay Maria. In English, the people might be enchanted by Maria.
And now, let's repeat what Miss Kadag stated. The first one is marahuyo. The example sentence of marahuyo is, baka marahuyo ang mga tao kay Maria.
The second word is pahimakas. The correct pronunciation of this is pahimakas. Pahimakas. The definition of this is pahimakas is a Filipino term means farewell or parting words, especially during those final farewell. The example sentence of it is, sila ay naghanda ng kunting salo-salo para sa pahimakas ng kanilang kaanak.
And now, let's repeat what Miss Kadag stated. The second one is pahimakas. And the example sentence of pahimakas is, naghanda sila ng konting salo-salo para sa pahimakas ng kanilang kaanak.
The third word is hiraya. The correct pronunciation of this is hiraya. The term hiraya comes from the Filipino language and refers to the ability to envision something and imagine something with it being present in reality. The example sentence of hiraya is, kay talas ng hiraya kung tanaw mo ang kagandahan ni Maria dito.
Again, we are going to repeat what Miss Kadag stated. The last one is hiraya. And the example sentence of hiraya is, kay talas ng hiraya kung tanaw mo ang kagandahan ni Maria rito. Good morning, everyone. I am Mainisa Condolon, a STEM student from grade 12 Justice. And now, it's my turn to teach all of you some uncommon Filipino words. The first one is paineta, or comb in English. It is a toothed instrument used for adjusting, cleaning, and confining the hair. And now, I'm gonna give all of you one example on how to use paineta in a sentence. Ang paineta ni Aling Nina ay matulis.
Now, let's repeat what Ms. Mariniza Condolan has stated in the second word. The second word of her is paineta, or in English is comb. The example sentence of paineta in Filipino is, ang paineta ni Aling Nina ay matulis.
The second one is pangulong hatinig, or headphone in English. It is an object used for audio signals such as music or speech. I'm gonna give one example on how to use pangulong hatinig in a sentence. Bumili si Mark ng bagong pangulong hatinig sa Divisoria.
Now, we're going to repeat what Ms. Mariniza Condolon has stated. The first word is pangulong hatinig, or in English is headphone. The example sentence of pangulong hatinig ay, bumili si Mark ng pangulong hatinig sa Divisoria.
The last one is pangaso, another word in Filipino for toothbrush. It is a small brush with a long handle that uses to clean our teeth. I'm gonna give one example to all of you on how to use pangaso in a sentence. Ang pangaso na ginagamit ni Maria ay marumi.
Now, let's repeat the last word of Ms. Mariniza Condolon has stated. The word pangaso, or in English is toothbrush. The example sentence of pangaso in Filipino is, marumi ang pangaso na ginagamit ni Maria.